Hello, today we're taking a look at an app called FotoSlides. That's FOTO Slides. It's a way for you to convert photos to videos and create a really awesome video slideshow. So you can take the photos you take on Instagram, Facebook, or your camera roll and just take them and turn them into a YouTube video. So a video slideshow that you can use for families, pictures, weddings, special events, and share them online with your friends, again, in a video form. So it transforms your beautiful photos into a really cool, high-quality slideshow. So your interface is pretty simple here. At the bottom, you have your home tab, which allows you to start editing here. You can see your save things, or you can save a project if you're working on one. Under your settings, you can give it access to things like your YouTube logins and stuff like that, and have it remember login. You can also choose to share it out via other social networks here. Your playback tab just sees everything that you store within the application itself. So if you don't store it in your camera roll or anything like that, you can play back via the application. And the help tab explains how to use FotoSlide, how to import from either your camera and or photo gallery, selecting single, multiple, and what each effect does. So you have filters for effects, text, time. You can set durations for in and out effects. So you can apply like durations for a photo. And music, of course. You can easily import music from your iPod and stuff like that. So that being said, let's go ahead and open a project here. So on the top left, you can import it from your photo gallery. Or in this case, if I just wanted to take it with my camera here, I can just pull out my camera and take a picture here. So let's go ahead and take a picture of some Apple-themed products here. You can see it also offers a digital zoom here, so you can easily just use a digital zoom on the right. You also have an ability for focus, front-facing and rear-facing, and of course, brightness. We're going to go ahead and take this picture here. Now we'll go ahead and take the next picture. So these are Apple magnets here. We'll take a picture of that. And then we'll take a picture of these mouses right here. So we got that. Now that we have those three pictures, let's go ahead and done and start editing our project. So again, you can import multiple pictures here. And then you have the selection tool. You can easily just tap on a picture and choose to view them and preview them. But you can also choose if you want to apply an effect, select either single or multiple or all. So depending on how you want to do it. You also have the opportunity to still import other photos if need be. So let's go ahead and add text to the first one. So we'll select single, we'll tap that one, and then we'll tap over here at the bottom, and this gives you the options to add any effects. You can also do things like undo, redo, reset, trash, if there's anything you need to edit out here. Now music, it can be imported from your iPod, so that's a really cool feature. In this case, we'll just apply text to the first one. So this is your text tool. You simply just tap somewhere and you can add text. So we'll call this Apple Remote here, and we'll tap back and you can resize it, adjust it however you want to do it. You can also do, of course, text effects, so you can do things like size. You can do color if you want to do some crazy color. In this case, we'll do like red or something. And you can even adjust font. It's really up to you and how you want to do it. And then you can reposition it and have it. And when you're done, you simply just hit apply, and that applies the text to said frame there. Now, of course, I can click on the next one, select single, select this one, and apply other effects. So time allows you to input the duration, how long you want the clip to be in. So if you want it to be in longer or shorter, you can easily apply that. So if I wanted it to be longer, I would hit apply. And last but not least, you have the option to do filters. So you can do some crazy filters to videos like night vision, sepia. Just like you would do with a picture, you can add some cool effects to your actual picture here, and overall it would play in the video. So you can overlay video effects essentially over the whole slideshow. Once you're done, you hit apply, and that will apply to the frames that you selected. So if you want to apply it to a lot of frames, have it kind of look like a constant video effect, you can have that. You just want to apply it to one frame, it's all up to you. When you're done, you hit the top left, and your thing will process and ask you if you want to create it for YouTube. So if you want to create it for YouTube, you can hit yes. If not, you can just create it for regular playback. Hit play, and it will play back here, and you can watch the slideshow if you have music. If you do it in any effects or anything like that, you can easily do it. You can see here the duration sets in longer with this picture, as we mentioned. And that is it. And again, from there, you can choose to share it out. You can choose to have it be shared among social networks. You can save it, you can name it, and then share it via Facebook, Twitter, all this great stuff. It's a great way to take photos and create a new experience with them in a slideshow. So this is FotoSlides. You can find it in the App Store today.